What? What? Yeah. Hey guys, Phil here. I'm getting ready to go on my California trip. I'm packing right now. Here's the essentials of what I'm bringing. It's all charging right now. I have 2 battery packs, my 3DS, my iPod, my headphones, and there's all my clothes. Super neat and packed inside my suitcase, nice and folded and ready to go. I'm definitely not washing clothes an hour before I leave, if that's what you're thinking. Sam's providing me with the cuddles I need to hold me over while I'm gone. Yoga. Heading out now. Bye, Sam! Bye, Sam! Bye, buddy! Bye, Sam! Kill, get the door. California, road trip, day 1. On our way to Pigeon Forge right now. From Pigeon Forge, where are we going after Pigeon Forge?
We're going to Atlanta to my cousin's house to spend the night before the airport.
Yeah. We're going through a tunnel. Caleb's holding his breath. He's not going to be able to hold it very long because he keeps smoking all the time. Smoking all the time. Smoking all the time. I think I'm funny. Stopping at Hardee's because Caleb's belly's empty. What did you get, Caleb?
Hot ham and cheese.
Is it good? How many out of how many?
Like 7 out of 10.
Huh. Look, Caleb, fireworks on exit 69. You wanna stop?
No.
Getting some fireworks from Fireworks Supermarket. How do you feel, Caleb?
Pretty good.
We're gonna get the biggest firework they have. Caleb, you wanna pick it up? Caleb, you got gas? Did you get gas, Caleb? Do you have gas now, Caleb? We don't know where we're at, but we stumbled upon this Christmas light store. It looked pretty cool, so we decided to stop. Got this giant firework. We had to prop it up with rocks because it's so big. We're gonna go ahead and light it now. You ready, Caleb?
I'm ready.
Cool.
Oh my
god, it fell out. Oh, that's obnoxious. Well, that one didn't work very well. We're in Walmart parking lot now. We're gonna sleep here in Caleb's car. So all in all, perfect end to a perfect day. Wait, Caleb, look, 50% off. 50% off.